Travis, can we see your head for a minute? Explain us what's going on right now.
I'm unclogging the drain.
And why is it clogged?
Because I threw up in the sink.
And how is this gonna make it better?
Oh dude. Oh.
That's from a Pop-Tart from last week.
That's fucking gross.
How are you making it better? Tell me.
I took the trap off.
So what have you learned?
Don't throw up in the sink. Oh, it's still clogged.
There's a toilet right there. Why'd you throw it?
Well, it was busy. What is clogging this thing? What the fuck is that? There's a metal bar in the way.
What are you doing?
I don't know. It won't come through. Fuck. Fuck.
What is? You have a pipe in your bucket.
Look, this shit. Ow, that's a sand spur. There's sand spur.
Oh.
This is a sand spur.
Alright, throw this fucking. Yeah. Oh god. Got a fucking joint, fucking pipe, you know. How is this working when you have part of the...
It still smells like vomit.
I wonder why.
Oh shit, what was that? Something metal fell in the toilet. Oh, there's a penny.
Shut up.